Greetings Google Academy UK, and what we've got a minute, we're going to be doing is, well, trying to do an SSL onto a subdomain, because I might have to start doing a wildcard one or something like that, I don't know yet. But let's have a quick look at the web page to see what sort of content we've got and what sort of scores we're getting off of web dev and GT metrics, and then we shall proceed. It's my computer's running a bit slow, not the website. So as we can see, we've got quite a lot of images. They're all brought in by a URL from a Google Cloud Storage bucket. So as you can see, it's quite a full page. It's got quite a lot going on it. And I'll tell you what, why don't we do a incognito web dev. The other one shows it we've done about 17 minutes ago or whatever, wasn't it? Something like that anyway. Is it showing up yet? What I can do is let's get rid of that. Run this, see what happens. And yeah, I did get a bit of criticism from somebody in one of the Facebook groups saying these scores were only possible because the page had zero content. But what a lot of people should realise is the page can have 1 or we're at 90, but that's because I'm in the back end doing work and stuff. But you know, by time tonight we should be back up to 90, and that's still good for the amount of content we've seen. So without further ado, let's now go and see if we can get our SSH up and running on, like I say, subdomain. If you're not using a subdomain, this will just go straight through for you, no problem. So we want the compliance VM, and we want to, I think I've got SSH open already, look. Hello at compliance VM, yeah, I've got that open already, so I'm just going to pause a second to drag me resources over so I can get the codes without having to typing all the commands, sorry. What I've got for my resources, look, is an ebook, which is here, and it's fully illustrated all the way through the things you need to know. So resources, generate certificate. Now what I'm going to have to do again is I'm going to pause a second. You see these here, look. I need to change this to the actual thing, so I'll do a control and F, change them to my subdomain, and then we'll be back in a second. So what I'm doing is I just want to replace some of these. We can see what's found them now. Here we've got an email address, well, it's just to send notifications to. It doesn't even have to be to the same domain, it can be anything. It could be like me@gmail.com. so I'll just replace all these hopefully, and then that should be good. Let's have a look. We've got generate certificate there, compliance.google academy. Like I said, this because we haven't actually got that email address. What I shall do is just get rid of that and then get rid of that. And as earlier stated, this email address here doesn't have to be the same domain you've got here, look. See that D? I'm sure there's supposed to be a space there, bro. Sure of it. One moment, I'm going to check that. That's really brilliant, you know. Don't do that. Do that. Right, so to change domains, this is what we're looking for here. You're looking for, like I said, M, mail, yeah, and then D for, well, whatever it means for internet address, that's just your domain, and then domain with www. So this is what we're going to be first putting in. So let's have a look, we've got it open, here we go. Generate certificate, and then it's asking, do you want to continue? Select yes. And then it's asking about the common names and everything, and you say yes. And then we're going to wait for it to start again, and then review the terms. Yes, that's okay. Wait for it to go through doing its thing. Let me just tell you what. Right, then what we're going to do, just wait for that to finish its thing. Yeah, we're going to go into the configuration file. Right, would we like the cron job to renew it every month? But of course. Right, so we're there now. So the next thing is, let me just look on I'm looking at another page on my blog actually, just to make sure all the lesson is working correctly. Right, so we're going to configure next, which like I said, that code is there. So we now pasting this in, look, sudo nano. Who writes this stuff? /op/bitnami apache 2 conf bitnami. Hit that. Right, then what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to hit control and no, it's a freelance code belongs the same. Let me just pull this over to show you the code first. Right, so here we go. And you want to check that all this is exactly like this. Look, you can see that it's the correct domain there. And then what we're going to be looking to put this in here, as we can see the cursors up here flashing. So use the arrow keys, come down, then you're going to go to there, like that, yeah. Just underneath document root, ops bitnami, hit 3 spaces, come back up, Control and V, you're going to put that in. And then you're going to go Control X. I don't think you need, does the keyboard do that? Shame we didn't think to put that on there, innit? It's copied something. That's anyway. We don't need that. Right, so we need Control X, and then we need to go yes and enter. And then what we need to do is we need to restart Apache. Okay. And hopefully, like I say, because it's a subdomain, it may not have worked out for me as it will for you. If you're just doing another domain, you're going to end up with, like googleacademy.uk has, an SSL. Right, all that's worked, so fingers crossed now. Let's see. Not secure, so that's not worked at the moment for us, and this could be, like I said, down to restart the patch. We've done all that. We have row configuration. At your stage now, you're going to have a padlock here because you've not done a subdomain. I'm thinking mine is going to be something like, because I've done it under a subdomain. Hello at compliance VM, it's all incorrect. Renew, yes. Restart, it generated everything fine, didn't it? Yep. And compliance Google serve responded with a certificate. Right now, stops at part 8 to monitor the patch. Congratulations, the generation and configuration of your SSL certificate finished properly. You can now. Right, so this is, let's get rid of that a moment and try one of these. Not secure. So as you see, in this instance, it hasn't worked on a subdomain, which is quite bizarre. Why would you do that to us? Let's see. Hang on. It's got a www there. Let's try and remove that. Not secure. Right. What we can try and do is see if we can now manipulate this through doing the next thing, which is updating it in the back of WordPress admin. Let's see what we've got. Right, that's what I'm saying. It's going to be something to do with being a subdomain. Works every other time. Get rid of that. Right, okay. So we'll restart, and that's it. Remove banner. Right, so this is what we're going to do next. We're going to define this, and we don't really have to go into FTP, I don't believe. We may be able to just do it straight in the back end of the website. No, wrong domain, Nicky. Compliance. So this may be the way we have to do it for a subdomain. Right, let's have a look. Come on, remember this stuff, Google. Admin. Use that. Let's see which one right now. And I reckon it's going to be my password. Hopefully, getting locked out your own website can be quite awkward. There we go. Right, so let's have a look. Right, appearance, theme editor. Bear in mind, we've not done a child theme or anything at the moment, which we should do, but for the purpose of this, we're not. We do that next, because it'll bring it over anyway. So let's have a look. So we're now looking for, where are we going to put it? Theme functions. Right, so as we can see in WordPress here, look, we've got it, yeah. Now, in here, we haven't, which is what we're changing a few lessons, because I suspect what might actually be happening is this. Media, loose padlock. There you go. Right, delete this permanently. Yes. And again, just go back to those pages to make sure. Now, obviously, this page is going to have Where's the front page? There. It's going to have no images on it, hopefully, now. And if there's a featured image, we're going to delete that as well, so there's nothing in the background. And then what we might actually see is where I was thinking I was having a subdomain issue, I was actually having a mixed content issue. So if we update that, and then we go into new incognito and we try it again, we might be surprised. And no, we're very not surprised. Hang on, where's all these? What's all this stuff, bro? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to empty the entire page, yeah? Because you need a blank canvas, because once you get, these are like images from somewhere, look, and they're not even in media library, have they? Did we see them in media library? Move block. I think once these are gone, we're going to be like glorious. And sometimes with WordPress, this is what you have to do. You have to root through, looking for problems. Don't doubt yourself straight away. Anyway, get rid of some of this bump. This is get rid of you. That's only a font, so that should not really affect anything. But like I said, let's get rid of everything like in one go. Empty page, empty page. So let's just try that anyway and see what's occurring. Right, we've got a padlock, look, we're good. So as we can see, once the images are gone, we've now got the subdomain. We haven't had to worry about going off anywhere neither as well to create a subdomain. All we did in here is we created a virtual machine, and then within our VPC networks, for instance, we've got, well, we'll tell you what best thing is, Cloud DNS to explain it, sorry. If we're looking here, I would say all we've done to now create another site, which is where you've gone. There, no, well, now that should, well, that's a builder anyway. Get show that for now. Get show that. This should now, like I said, boom. So as we can see, we've created an entirely new site. We've created just another deployment, and then in our zone with our main domain, we've created an A record, and we've created a C name record. And that way, just say for instance, you know, if you've got a business with 5 different departments, there's no point weighing all one website down. You can see how cheap and affordable, well, not cheap, how cost effective and affordable these machines and how robust they are, and how easy they are to set up, configure. You know, I did at first, you know, think, oh no, it's a subdomain, need a wildcard. So you can see you don't even need a wildcard or anything like that. So you could all of a sudden, you know, mycompany.com, you could then start branching off to have your e-commerce onto another machine. You know, have everybody log in, social login through the Google account, Facebook, whatever, so you don't have to worry about having user accounts and passwords across multiple platforms. I've taken up 13 minutes of your time. I hope you found this useful, and if you have, please leave a comment. And like I said, the stuff, if you want a copy of this as well, it's quite handy. It's got like all the, you know, pictures step by step. If you drop me an email, hello@gacademy.uk, we'll send you a copy of that. As always, stay safe. Regards from Ramsgate, United Kingdom. Bye.